Okay, so first I want to say something about this. It's network effects project by the Mozilla Foundation, and it's all about this. With this. So, what is one way that the internet has changed our life in 10 to 15 seconds? If you want to think about it during the presentation, and then go to Brian, he'll record you. He's here in the first row. He will shoot the video for those 10 seconds of everybody, and then you just sign that you allow the video to be online and used probably by the Mozilla Foundation. You can talk in Slovenian, English, or whatever language you want. You can even talk in your own language, but you're going to have to invent it now. So, yeah, that's the net worth Mozilla effects. The videos are published on Flickr. There's a link here. So, maybe we can check a video out to give you some like ideas. Let's see. Let's take this guy. Sound. Huh? Because I haven't. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that again.
So the internet has changed my life by enabling me to live in Malta and work in Canada.
So just short thoughts on how the internet changed your life. Where's the sound? There's no more sound. Let's do it again.
Blogging got me a job teaching graduate students in a program I was planning on applying to.
So that would be some ideas of what you can talk about. Okay. And, so this wrong window. All right. Hello, late arrivals. So today I want to talk about the web as a data source. The idea of the web growing and changing from just a bunch of fan sites to weird bunches of words and letters and stuff just put online for the sake of putting it online. It's sort of changing now, so we're using more structured markup, which means we're actually creating more structured data, and that's what I want to talk about now. Let's first do a pop quiz. Hands up, guys that create content or manage websites that create content. Anyone? Okay. The people who make applications that consume content online, so through APIs or stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. That's sort of like half probably. So this should be interesting for all of you. The first part I'm going to talk about what you can do as a site owner to make life of developers easier, to make your website really a data store. How many of you have a blog? Hands up. Okay, so if you're using, for example, WordPress, your blog is already a sort of a neat data application. We're going to talk about that later, but for others that have websites that produce data, you're going to see some ideas. Hopefully, you'll implement So first thing we want to do, and we had like zillions of talks about this already, is use standard HTML. So specify your content, specify your website. So you have like semantic tags. You use title tags for titles, and you use paragraph tags for content, and you don't use much of non-semantic junk that doesn't give any information about what it's helping. And what this means is you get better parsability of your website. So even if you're not providing an API or anything, developers can use your HTML and parse the data out of it. But they can only do this if it's sort of markup stained, so titles are titles and stuff like that. Otherwise, just way too much work. Has anybody tried styling MySpace pages? Hands up. Okay, yeah, that was the point. It's difficult because they use loads of tables nested in, and you have no idea what you're looking at. The same could be said for web applications. For example, Google Mail, loads of tables or divs nested one in another with stuff that you can rely on. The next thing you want to do is add feeds to the page. How many people add feeds to their pages? And I don't mean blogs. Was any of you present at the Google APIs talk? Some of you. Google actually uses Atom to publish most of their content through APIs. So they're gonna, if you make a request to the API, they're gonna return an Atom feed, which is sort of a neat way of publishing content. For blogs, usually do this automatically, which is also great. Next thing, this was very important, more the merrier. So, if any of you read RSS feeds of, for example, our national TV station, anyone? They have a really good catch-all feed where you can get all the latest info, but you can also get like cooking recipes and stuff like that they publish on weekends. So it's sort of annoying to read because they're not really filtering out content, right? So just add like loads. If you have 10 types of content, add 10 feeds or even more. So people can choose what they want to subscribe to. The next thing you might want to do is add mikroformate to your site. So to mark up the events, the contacts, relations to other people, reviews, licenses, even feeds in your markup. There are a few libraries out there that allow you easy access to microformate data. So you just just pass them a URL and you'll get the JSON back with all the microformates for that page. This sort of means that if you just publish events, you might not even need an API. You can just like mark up the events with microformats and just send them to the converter. So people can easily use your data or subscribe to the events in their calendar applications or stuff like that. The next thing you might want to consider is RDF. Use RDFA or eRDF or any of the emerging or already standardized formats. This might be pushing it a bit too far, because currently, if you think about Slovenian media or biggest Slovenian content providers, they don't even provide the content easily, and to ask them to provide it and to provide it with a same markup, with actually saying what the content is probably pushing it a bit too far, but let's hope they get there sometime in the future. So the next thing is APIs. What you really want to do is provide an API for your content. So